everyone. Now we are going to present to you our project. This is a tutorial on how to connect a sound sensor, buzzer, and an Arduino in order to create a sound sensing system. In this system, the buzzer makes an alarming sound whenever a sound is detected by the sound sensor. A sound sensor is a module that changes sound waves into electrical signals. This works similar to how our ear works, since the sensor has a diaphragm in it, changing vibrations into signals. The sound sensor also consists of a capacitive microphone, peak detector, and an amplifier, and this is why it is very sensitive to sounds. Sound detection sensor module detects the intensity of sound where sound is detected via a microphone and fed into an LM393. It covers an onboard potentiometer to adjust the set point for sound level.
The components that are needed for this Arduino project are an Arduino that is a Uno type, a sound sensing module. This module is for big sounds. A buzzer that makes an alarm sound when a sound is detected. A breadboard to hold the electronic components together. Female and male jumpers to connect the components of the breadboard. A 220 ohm resistor to reduce the current flow so that the sound sensor does not get burned. Lastly, a USB cable to connect the hardware to the software.
This is the connection of our circuit. The 5V in the Arduino is connected to the ground of the sound sensor. The A5 in the Arduino is connected to the digital pin of the sensor. The 3.3V of the Arduino is connected to the 220 ohm resistor, and the other side of the resistor is connected to the VCC of the sensor. The buzzer, the positive side of the buzzer is connected to the 11 pin of the Arduino, and the negative one is connected to the ground. The last thing is we connect the Arduino to the laptop to run the code. This is our code. Two values are important to run the code, which are the threshold and the delay.
Sound sensors with buzzers have many different applications. It can be used in electronics such as phones and computers. Also, it can be used for security purposes such as an alarming system for burglars and for doors. It can also be used for children's toys. For example, the toy will make a buzzing sound when the child claps. And also it can be used for babies' rooms, so that the parent will be alarmed when the baby cries, especially at night when the parent is sleeping.
Now, I will explain the measurements and control for this project. The sound sensor in the system will sense the threshold of the noise or the cry sound of the baby and then send a signal to the buzzer. This is in order to alert the parent so that the control part is taken by the parent. And this is how the signal is turned into a meaningful measurement.
Thank you everyone for listening. I hope you found our tutorial useful and you can try repeating this project that we did for yourselves as well, and we hope you learned something from this.